Hey guys, it's Crystal from Blvck Beauty and welcome back to my channel.
Closer, closer, closer. A little closer, closer from the last one.
Today I'm filming a video on my wash day routine. So in this video you'll see the products I use to shampoo, condition my hair, along with the heat protectant products that I use, and all the good products to give your hair that nice, rich feel and look. So before we get into the video though, you guys know what I'm gonna ask, because I ask you guys every time. I'm gonna need you to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button so that you're always aware when I post new videos. And I guess we can get into it now since you would have already done that, right? So as you can see, my hair is still transitioning. You can see the curls naturally coming in the back versus like some of the ends are still have permanent, even at the front. Like, so even though I did the big chop, I still didn't cut out all of the perm, as you can see, because your girl wasn't ready for it still. I'm just wetting my hair a little bit because when I came out of the shower, I was doing some stuff and I got on the phone and it got dry. So I'm just re-wetting it. And this is just a spray bottle of water in it. Not making it too wet, but just wet enough. So to wash my hair, I use two products. These are by far my favorite, y'all. Shout out to my hairstylist for putting me on, but they're by SARYNA. So I use the Pure African Shea Butter Shampoo, and then I go in right after with the SARYNA Repair Butter. And I usually just leave this on in the shower for like 2 or 3 minutes and I'm pretty much ready to go. Now I'm gonna go in with my Revlon all-in-one hair treatment. There's 10 real benefits in this product. It's good for repairing dry and damaged hair, shine and frizz control, heat protection, silkiness and smoothness. If you need, if you have hair color, it keeps it really vibrant, easier brushing and ironing, detangling, long-lasting hairstyles, split end prevention, adds body. Just kind of spray that all over. I'm pretty generous with this one. Make sure you get the back. The next thing I'm gonna go in with is my Wild Growth Hair Oil. This is the best. I there from Amazon. And it was I was just looking for hair treatments, and it had a lot of great reviews, and obviously looking over on YouTube as well, there was a lot of reviews on it. So I put a little bit in my hand, not too much, because I don't want my hair to be too oily when I go to silk press it. So just about that, swirl it around, and then I really massage my roots. I'm gonna go in with my Tresemme Thermal Creations. I posted this on my page before, I think when I was doing my microlinks video. So I am very generous with this. This is pretty much a heat protectant. If you're not onto heat protectants yet, you're crazy. To blow dry my hair, I'm using also a Revlon product. It's a brush, blow drying brush. I am so late to the party. I literally just bought this like 1.5 years ago, and I feel like my whole life I've been struggling with regular blow dryers. It's crazy. My hair is all blow dried straight. After I blow dried it on low, I went ahead and just quickly ran over the blow dryer over my hair again on cool. And then now I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. Pretty much the same exact thing I just did. Because the reason why I like to section it like this is because when I'm going in and using my Biosilk, I like to make sure that all parts of my hair get this product, because this is the gem. This is what's gonna give you that silk press. So this is the Biosilk Silk Therapy. It's a serum that I like to use, and I only use, oh, of course it's clear, so I'm trying to show you guys that, but it's like literally just a dab. Not too much, but just enough to swirl in your hands and get all through that section of hair. And helps that it smells so good. And make sure you get your ends too, right? Don't forget the ends. Yes, yes, yes. By the way, I've totally forgot to tell you guys what flat iron I was using. I'm using my Ion flat iron model 301618. This is the truth, y'all. It's about $100, I think, but it's definitely worth it. I just got it, but I always used to love the one that my hairdresser used to sell me, and this is the same one, so it is definitely a gem. So what I usually do just to finish it off, I'm gonna go in now with my KUKUI oil. I think that's how you say it. And it's an anti-frizz hydrating oil. So I pretty much just use this to hit all around the outer perimeter of my hair. And then to finish it up, I'm gonna pin my hair back, and I'm gonna get those baby hairs, like so. I'm gonna use my Black Mermaid 72-hour Mega Hold. I got this from a braider here in Toronto. Her name is actually Braids by Crystal as well. And it's a Castor and Shea Butter Edge Tamer. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of that to get my edges situated. And just like that, we are done. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Again, please, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!